Hello guys! Today we are going to talk about personal goal setting, planning to live your life your way. How to set a goal. First, consider what you want to achieve and then commit to it. Set smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals that motivate you and write them down to make them feel tangible. Then plan the steps you must take to realize your goal and cross off each one as you work through them. Start to set personal goals. You set your goals in a number of levels. First, you create your big picture of what you want to do with your life or over, say, the next 10 years, and identify the large-scale goals that you want to achieve. Then, you break this down into the smaller and smaller targets that you must hit to reach your lifetime goals. Finally, once you have your plan, you start working on it to achieve these goals. Setting lifetime goals. The first step in setting personal goals is to consider what you want to achieve in your lifetime, or at least by a significant and distant age in the future as career, financial, education, family, artistic, attitude, physical, pleasure, public service. Spend some time brainstorming these things and then select one or more goals in each category that best reflect what you want to do. Setting smaller goals, SMART goals, is a useful way of making goals more powerful is to use the SMART mnemonic. While there are plenty of variants, SMART usually stands for S, specific or significant, M, measurable or meaningful, A, attainable or action-oriented, R, relevant or rewarding, T, time-bound or trackable. Further tips for setting your goals. The following broad guidelines will help you to set effective, achievable goals. State each goal as a positive statement. Be precise. Set priorities. Write goals down. Keep operational goals small. Set performance goals, not outcome goals. Set realistic goals. Key points. Goal setting is an important method for deciding what you want to achieve in your life, separating what's important for what's irrelevant or a distraction, motivating yourself, building your self-confidence based on successful achievement of goals. Set your lifetime goal first, then set a 5-year plan of smaller goals that you need to complete if you are to reach your lifetime plan. Keep the process going by regularly reviewing and updating your goals, and remember to take time to enjoy the satisfaction of achieving your goals when you do so.